This is Mr. Jones. He is in the process of maintaining the diaphragm valves in a pharmaceutical facility. As usual, all the steps involved must be documented so that they are accountable and verifiable. Mr. Jones is getting annoyed again because the maintenance reports must be laboriously completed by hand and then archived. This leads to paper chaos, which creates a lot of work and wastes time. And also, something can quickly get dirty or lost. Storing countless additional documents to do with valves and maintenance always involves a great deal of effort. There simply must be an easier way. Mr. Miller is familiar with these problems and has come up with an intelligent solution. The new Conexo system can assist Mr. Jones with many aspects of maintenance. To the valves, RFID chips are attached. In this way, they are electronically traceable and clearly identifiable. With the aid of a reader, the Conexo pen, and the Conexo app, all this information and documents like data sheets, certificates, installation and operating manuals can be retrieved and displayed quickly and easily, and directly in the facility. A great help to Mr. Jones is that the app leads him safely through the maintenance of individual valves step by step. When changing diaphragms, he is prompted to scan the old diaphragm. By means of this identification, the change is automatically documented in the maintenance report. Following its removal, Mr. Jones can evaluate the old diaphragm and photograph it. The new diaphragm is also scanned before being fitted. Data collection ensures that the correct replacement part is always used. All information gathered is transmitted for further processing at the Conexo portal. Here, all locations, buildings, facilities, valves, and other components like pumps and measuring devices are administered. All maintenance procedures, intervals, and histories can be recorded, viewed, and analyzed there. Mr. Jones is pleased. Due to Conexo, the maintenance process is not just safer and faster, but the paper chaos has come to an end.